Have you ever wondered how server backup monitoring and migration works? In a world where data is the new oil, ensuring the safety and security of this precious resource is paramount. But how does one go about it? Let's dive into the fascinating world of server backup and migration. Imagine your server as a vast library of information. Now, server backup is akin to creating a duplicate of this library. It's a process of copying and archiving all data stored on a server to prevent data loss in case of a server crash, system failure, or any other disaster. It's like having an insurance policy for your data. Now, imagine having to keep an eye on the state and effectiveness of this backup process. That's where server backup monitoring comes in. It involves tracking and managing the performance of these backup operations to ensure the integrity and availability of data. Think of it as having a vigilant librarian who checks that all books are in place and in good condition. But what happens when you need to move this library to a new location? That's where server migration comes in. Server migration is the process of transferring data from one server to another. It's like moving your library to a new building. This could be due to several reasons, like upgrading to a more powerful server, balancing the load between servers, or even moving to a more cost-effective server. Now, as simple as it may sound, server backup monitoring and migration can be a complex, time-consuming task. It requires a high level of expertise to ensure that no data is lost during the process and the transition is smooth. But fear not, because Mandli BPM is here to help. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, Mandli BPM provides top-notch server backup monitoring and migration services. They handle everything from creating backups, monitoring their effectiveness, and migrating data, all without affecting your production servers. More and more organizations are choosing to outsource these tasks to Mandli BPM because they understand the importance of data security and strive to provide the best services. With Mandli BPM, you can rest assured that your data is in safe hands. In conclusion, server backup monitoring and migration is not just about preserving data. It's about ensuring business continuity, maintaining productivity, and safeguarding your most valuable asset, your data. And in this endeavor, Mandli BPM is your trusted partner. Remember, in a world where data is the new oil, Mandli BPM is the refinery that ensures its safety and security. So the next time you think about server backup monitoring and migration, think Mandli BPM.